Hi doctor.
Hi.
Just want to ask you what is melasma?
Melasma is usually seen as a brown, black to grey colored pigmentation. It is usually seen on people where there is nose, cheeks, maybe upper lip and forehead. Definitely more common in females than in males.
What are its causes?
So the most common cause definitely is the hormones, because post pregnancy or even in reproductive age group in general, when there are female hormones which tend to rise like estrogen and progesterone, that can be the commonest cause. It usually gets aggravated when there is UV light exposure. It can also happen in people who are taking oral contraceptive pills or even stress sometimes. Then sometimes when people have pigmentation and they use treatments which have steroid based creams, that can also be a cause for melasma. Last but not the least can be thyroid disorders, because that has also seen to cause melasma in certain patients.
Is pigmentation and melasma same thing?
So melasma is definitely pigmentation, but pigmentation can have other causes also, like it could be due to post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, it could be due to ochronosis, it could be due to lichen planus, which is actinic in its origin. So there can be many causes of pigmentation, but melasma is one of them.
Doctor, can it be treated naturally?
Usually melasma does get better if we follow a strict sun protection, but it doesn't completely go away. We don't have very good cures for melasma. There are some treatments which work, but sun protection definitely helps, so we have to follow that.
And what not to do with melasma?
So things like over treatment is definitely not recommended in melasma, because there are people who use a triple combination which has hydroquinone, tretinoin and steroids. So yes, this combination works for melasma really well, but we don't want to overuse it, and we don't want to be rubbing this in the area where there is melasma, because if we rub it, it will just lead to a steroid induced or a medicine induced ochronosis, which is more difficult to treat.
Any clinical treatments regarding this thing?
So melasma definitely can get lightened. There are treatments which work really well. The list starts with topical application of things like hydroquinone, azelaic acid, kojic acid, even arbutin and tranexamic acid. The main logic behind using these is that they reduce melanin production and hence reduce pigmentation. Things like azelaic acid and tranexamic acid also reduce the blood vessels which supply to the skin and hence reduce the formation of further melasma. We can also use oral medications like glutathione and vitamin C. Even tranexamic acid orally can be given for patients who have melasma. Other treatments that work really well are peels, which can be either glycolic or salicylic acid based peel. There is a very good peel which works in melasma, which is Cosmelan. It's a single time treatment, and that can definitely be tried in resistant and refractory cases. Last but not the least are the lasers, most important of which is a Q-switch laser that works really well, but multiple sessions are needed. Have any query regarding melasma? Put down in the comments below. If you found this video useful, share it with your friends and family. Like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can press the bell icon for future notifications.